Hey everyone, welcome back. We have something that's kind of new but kind of not. Y'all know I love my unboxings. Well, a few weeks ago, because I'm a little behind on filming this, I received an email from Pure Cosmetics because I love Pure Cosmetics that said, hey, we're sending out mystery bags. For 20 bucks, you're guaranteed to get over $100 worth of product, but we're not going to tell you what it is. So I thought, I love Pure Cosmetics. What could go wrong? Like, come on now. I've been really eyeing that new stick foundation they have. Just still don't want to pay $34 for a stick foundation from Pure Cosmetics when I could get like Hourglass or Anastasia for really close to the same price. So I'm like, and I really haven't seen any reviews or heard anyone actually talk about their stick foundation. So I'm like, So I'm like, they have a lot of other really good products. My favorite lip scrub is from Pure. So I was like, ooh, I almost need another one of those. So if one of those is in the bag, like, bonus. But I figured it would give me an opportunity to try some new products that I haven't tried before and a little bit of fun because, I mean, I'm a grown-ass woman. I don't get Christmas presents or birthday presents on a regular. So, like, it's kind of like a little present to myself. Anyways, I received it in the mail. Here it is, y'all. This is how it came. Legit May mystery bag number 1. It was shipped to me this way. It was in a bigger bubble mailer that said Pure on it, and then it came in this white bubble mailer. So I haven't really looked at what's in here. I did pull it open because I struggle with these sometimes. So let's see what is in this mystery bag. I paid $20, and then I did have to pay shipping and handling. So after all of that, it was closer to $30. I think it was like $27 or something. So, okay, and I did receive a free product for ordering. I think that's normal, but I received this Big Look Pure Mascara. It's with argan oil. It's a sample. I mean, it's a decent sized sample. It's like you could put this in your purse. Gosh, gracious, I don't know what's going on with my camera and it not focusing right now. It's pink. It has a brush much like the Tarte mascara, and I just like, I don't know, I just keep bumping it on my hand though, so thanks for that. I haven't tried it yet though, so we'll have to try it and I'll let you know how that goes. But they were giving those away for free, so that was a freebie. So into this bag, the first thing I see is a Pure blending crease brush. So it's, I love their little zippy things. I don't know why, but it's so much better to me than those like weird plastic you have to unpeel it and it makes crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. This brush seems a little bit short to me. And it just says blending crease. It feels good. I don't have any other Pure brushes, I don't believe. It is definitely synthetic. So we're just gonna throw that in a couple, see how it goes. I'll let you know if that's a good brush or not. There's no card in here to tell me what anything retails for or anything about the products. So the next thing I pick up is a Velvet Matte liquid lipstick. Now this feels pretty small, but I think this is full size because I was just at Ulta yesterday. And okay, so it's kind of a deeper, like a brick red almost. Okay, so it looks like, oh gosh, this is a very moussey whipped texture, and it has the super pointed doe foot, which is great for those of you that have like the perfect lips and need to like outline and define and what all. This is the swatch we got. It is a little bit patchy, but I feel like that's because of the texture. It's a whipped like mousse texture. I don't know anything about these. I've honestly never tried any of their lippies, so I will let you know how it goes. Then we also got a Chrome Glaze High Shine Lip Gloss. I don't like lip glosses, y'all. And I think this one is pink because, see this pink? That's what my hair was supposed to be. Nailed it. Okay, so it is a bright pink, and it has some reflective stuff in it. So it's very thick. Again, same doe foot. It's very thick. It doesn't really smell like anything. No. I mean, it's fairly opaque for gloss, but it's gloss. So I might give this one away. I don't know. I don't wear gloss, but maybe. So then we move on to a Volume Vixen 4-in-1 mascara from Pure. Let's see what kind of a brush this. Ooh, this one has like a stand. You can't see it if I do that. It has like a standard type of brush. The bristles are like actual brush bristles, and they're spaced fairly far apart. So I'm sure it will be a good like basic mascara. And then we have a palette, guys, a palette. Let's see. Oh. Y'all know that I've been with BoxyCharm forever, right? You see that? BoxyCharm and Pure. I know exactly what this is because it's sitting on my table. I already have this. And I'm super smart because I just smeared lipstick all over this off of my hand. So that Velvet Matte, it's not dried down. I don't know if it will dry down. But we're gonna let's clean the lipstick off the palette. Okay. Look, y'all. Looks familiar. I've already got one. Goodness. So that is our Pure mystery bag for May. I'm a little behind on filming because y'all, life just gets in the way, and I had some other more exciting videos to film. So let's call it what it is. $27, and I got 3 products and a brush. That's $10 a product because I'm not counting this. I already got this. Like, why are you giving me a BoxyCharm item that's not in a BoxyCharm, y'all? Pure, what is your deal? Kick it up. Like, seriously, was this a trash? Like, you were just like, oh, we got too many of these. Let's just find a way to get rid of them? Like, recoup some of the cost or what? Because that's what I feel like, and I feel very shaded for that. So, am I impressed? No. Am I gonna buy another one? Probably not, y'all, because I have BoxyCharm. I don't need them to send me a second palette every month. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? I don't get it. Will I continue to buy Pure products? Absolutely, when I know what I'm getting. Will I let them surprise me again? Nah, I'm good. So, anyways, let me know if you got this mystery bag, if you got a different version, if you got the same thing, what you thought. Do you think maybe it's better to get this mystery bag for like $27 than to get BoxyCharm, or what? Hit that subscribe button because you know you want to see my next video. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, whatever. Your girl's here to talk. Let's get it going. See you guys next time. Bye.